Hi there, welcome back. Rather than typing a lot of repetitive data, why not let Excel do it for you? Instead of typing the regions from January to June, Excel has a great feature called the autofill feature. Excel will perform the task for you, but with a little bit of help. Let's delete this cell range from January to June. I'll come to this first cell here and type in the word January. Hit the Ctrl plus Enter key to stay put in that cell. If you take a close look at the cell containing the word January, you will notice in the lower right corner over here a little square dot. Normally, when you are working in Excel, your mouse pointer is a little big plus sign. But if you put your mouse pointer on these little square dots, the mouse pointer turns to a cross sign. This is what is called the autofill handle in Excel or feature in Excel. When you get that plus sign, make sure it is this plus sign. It can never be another mouse pointer. Now drag to the right and you see Excel fills in the month for you. Isn't that pretty cool? You can also use the autofill handle in Excel to fill in days of the week, maybe Monday to Sunday, Friday to Saturday. Well, let me open another sheet here and teach you a little bit of professional technique. When you click here, you are selecting the whole worksheet. I want to give my worksheet a little bit of white background to make it look professional. Let's come to this cell A1 and abbreviate the month and click enter. When you abbreviate it, you get a little plus sign and you drag down and Excel fills in the month for you abbreviated. If you notice, when it gets to the end of the series, it starts the series again. So you want to be really careful there. Assuming it's days of the week, let's start from Sunday. You press the Ctrl key to stay put in the cell. You get a little plus sign, then you drag down. See, Excel fills in the month for you. Let me just make that fit. It can also be abbreviated and can start from any days of the week also. Press the enter key, drag down, and you see it fills in the days of the week for you. The autofill features works both across the row and down the column. So you can use it across the row and down the column, below the column. See work the same thing. Well, what about numbers? Let's try numbers. The autofill feature is possible for numbers, but numbers are a little bit different, and I want you to take note of this. When I want to type in, let's say I want to type in the word 1, the number 1, then I get my little square dot and I drag. You see, it fills in a lot of 1 for me. So how do you get numbers incrementally in Excel? Type in the 1 again in this cell, hit the enter key. Now when you get this autofill feature, hold down the Ctrl key and drag down. You see, it shows the number incrementally for you from 1, 2, 3 down below. What if you want to create your own series? Let's assume maybe you want to have a difference between the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40. That's possible. When you come here, press the enter key, 20, then you select these two together. When you select these two numbers together, they share a common autofill handle. Then when you drag down without even holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard, you see it fills in for you incrementally. So it can be any number, it can be 11, 12, and so on, just like that. Well, wouldn't it be nice for you to create your own series? It can be names of your clients, names of the regions your company operates. It could be anything. It's possible. That's where we learn about the word custom list in Excel. So to do that, you need to create a custom list. It can be names of a country, anything. It can be anything, it can be any series. So to do that, you come to the file tab, come to options, select advanced, scroll down to the general tab and click on edit custom list. When you click on edit custom list, this dialog box pops up. You see list entries. When you click on new, so when you're making your series, you make sure you separate each series with the enter key. Let's assume I want to list, I want to make a series of the regions in Nigeria. Just put Abuja, or the enter key, Lagos, Oyo, Ogun, Kaduna, Adamawa. So these are regions in Nigeria. Then I click on add. When I click on add, it has it the custom list on the left hand side. Right? I click on OK. I click on OK, and I can come here. I can start from anywhere. I can start from Abuja. I hit the enter key. I put my mouse pointer here. And drag down. You see, it fills it in for me. I can also start from anywhere. I can start from Lagos or Oyo. I hit the enter key. See, filling for me. So the autofill handle is a great feature. So let Excel do the typing for you rather than you typing same thing over and over again. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next tutorial.